Good morning everyone. It's your maths class, unit number 1 set. Now question is if A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then find A union round bracket open, B union C bracket close. Okay, in this set, in this question we have three sets are given. Okay, in the first part, first we find union. In the second part we find intersection. In union we write down all elements in ascending order. Okay, the method of find the union, we write down all elements in ascending order, or in intersection we just write down the common element between them. Okay, so first we solve round bracket. First part, A union B union C. Correct? So first we solve round bracket. Elements of set B, B union C. Elements of set B, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Union sign, symbol of union. Then set C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elements of set C. Okay, A union C. So answer of A union C, write down all elements which is given in both the sets, write in ascending order. Digits are given, so we write in ascending order. Suppose alphabets are given, so we write in alphabetical order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Answer of first part, A union B. Now we find A, it's a second part, or A union C. Okay, for this part, first we write down elements of first set, set A. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bracket close, union, then copy answer of this one. Answer of B union C. Okay, this part. Answer of B union C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Now A, answer of A union B union C. Okay, in union we write all elements in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. We repeat 2 times in both the sets. We have elements 2, 4, 3, 4. So we write only one time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay. Answer of A union B union C. Now we draw the Venn diagram. 3 sets are given. So first we draw 3 sets. First circle represents set A, second circle represents set B, third circle represents set C. Okay, set C. Now first check common element between them. In all three sets, common element, I think 4 element 4 common in all three sets. So this center part common place in all three sets. So in this place we write common element in all three sets. Between them we have 4 common element. Now we check common element between A and B. A and B. So 6 common element between them. So this place common, we write over here common element in set A and B. Okay, now we check the common element between B and C. B and C, B and C common element, I think two common element between set B and set C. Now check common element between A and C. A and C, 5 is common, then 5 common. Okay, 5 common element. Another one is 3 also. Clear? 5 and 3 common element. Okay, 5 and 3 common element in set A and C. Okay, now remaining elements of set A, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, except these elements, 7 is left. So 7 is remaining elements in set A. In set B, 2, 4, 6, 6. Okay, 8 and 10 remaining elements of set B in set C. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5 common element in other set. Now only 1 is left. Remaining elements 1 in set C. Okay, now first answer of A union C. B union C. B union C, answer of B union C. B union C. B union C, answer of round bracket. B union C. It's up to you. Draw the vertical line or horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Except this part. Okay, except this part, all elements are included in the answer of B union C. So it's up to you. Apply vertical line or horizontal line. Okay, so B union C. Okay, vertical line show answer of B union C. Now final answer A union B union C. Okay, it's up to you. C. Okay, it's up to you. Apply shade in whole Venn diagram. Okay, light, it's up to you. Draw the light blue color or light pencil shade. Apply whole Venn diagram shade. Okay, whole Venn diagram. This part. Okay, this one also. Whole Venn diagram. Apply shade. Point is clear? Union means write down all elements. So all elements are included in this figure. Okay, so vertical line represent answer of B union C. Then whole shaded part, shaded part or shade represent A union B union C. Then first part, second part, find intersection. First we solve round bracket. Okay, B intersection C. First copy B intersection C. So elements of set B, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Elements of set B, put intersection sign. Elements of set AC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in intersection we just take out the common element. So between them common element 4. 4 common element in all both the sets. Now find A intersection B intersection C. So first we write down elements of first set, set A. Okay, A intersection. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements of set A. Put intersection sign, then write down the answer of B intersection C. Answer of B intersection C 4. Okay, this one answer of B intersection C. Now find A intersection B intersection C in both the sets. Just take out the common element. 4 common element between them. So you can see. Now we draw the Venn diagram. 3 sets are given. So we draw 3 circles. Okay. First circle represents set A, set B, set C. Okay, we draw the same Venn diagram, but shaded part or vertical or horizontal lines are different. But we draw the same Venn diagram, which we draw in first part. Okay, common element in all 3 sets 4. 4 common element in all 3 sets. Between set A and B 6A and B 6 common element. So this place show common place between A and B, or center place, center part, this one show common place in all 3 sets. So we write over here common element in all 3 sets. So 4 common element in all 3 sets, that's why we write over here. In set A and B 6 common element, we write over here. In set B and C, between B and C common element 2. Okay, now check common element between A and C. A and C common element 5 and 3. 5, 3 common element, 5 and 3 common element in both the sets. Now remaining elements of set A 7, remaining elements of set B 8 and 10, then remaining elements of set C 1. Okay, correct Venn diagram. We draw same Venn diagram, but the answer of B intersection C and A intersection B intersection C answer 4. So we apply shade or color only in the center part. So this part represent A intersection B intersection C. Okay. It's up to you. Apply vertical line, horizontal line, shade, pencil shade, blue color. Okay. Dot. It's the answer of A intersection B intersection C. In intersection, we just take out the common element. Done both the parts.